Right. We play around. Got these cards from Bursley. Right. All the numbers have to add to 5, 7s and 8s with a 2, but you can break the 2 into 1s and it can also be doubled in 4. 7s can be broken down into 4s and 3s, and the 8 always has to come up as casinos. Well, there's a 7 to start off with. With a 10, so it still leaves 3. There's 9, so 8 and 1 with the 2, and then cut it down, it still comes back to 4, and there's still remaining numbers of 2s and 3s. There's a 10 again. But there's your 6. There's your 8. There's your 10. There's your 6. There's your 10. But it can also be 1s. So we'll start flipping it around. Double that 10. There's the 1. Still going back to 2 cards. 10 and 9, so then there's still an 8. We're still breaking it down. The whole deck, right? And I'll do this for the next 24 hours. Don't worry about that game. I get them games all the time. All them. There's the 5. Plus, flip it. And there's your 3. And there's your 2. There's still 1 left. Then you rip it again. There's your 3. There's your 8. There's your 10. There's your 2. There's your 8. And there's your 6. Don't remember about the suit yet. Yeah, I won't shuffle properly. I wasn't not in the mood, I'm still just learning. So you still pull it up and still going back to one of the numbers. Then suppose you get the joker, all the letters. Because they're no shit though. So, in the bonus numbers, what numbers are? Plus the number on the box. So it's 93129441007. Well, then you start with that. There's 1. There's a 10. There's 8. There's 4. There's a 10. There's a 10. There's 8. 4 again. Joker. 10. 4. 3. 4. 6. 6. 10. Jack. 5. Plus them numbers. 4. 6. There's your numbers. Still that. About Jack there. Still got all the numbers too, letters, like your letters. So you get Q, E, 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 N, but you can times them, divide them, take them, and add them by them numbers: 4s, 5s, 1s, 3s, 8s, and 9s. They still add the zeros. All the numbers that I said. And go through the letters in the books that I put up. The letters, the books, the words, rearrange them, all that type of shit. And still come back with. So like the tenth word on one of the pages, and then mix it by these numbers, and then just go through it and see if you can make a sentence, write your own story in history. and what happened in your days. That's my favourite card, 7. And all the casino bets and that, see what cards you pull up, and just anything you can think of. What you're saying today, your number plates, especially number plates, because like I'm quicker than the number plate recognition. That's what the cops spin out them. So it'd be like 16th, the 19th, you still get the ones. Birthdays, times, something interesting that happened in your day. Maybe something like maybe you met someone at 3:35 or something. You know what I mean? So you end up with that, and then 3:35. Or 3 and 3 with a 5 and a 10 still leaves, and then you still have this one, and still come back to 2. And it's still a remainder, but it's still plus as well. So you still hit the 4, it still breaks up with the 0, and a 7, and an ace, and a 4, and a 3, and then you still hit the 5. 8 and 2 leaves 6, and there's still 6 there because you still have the 1s, the 4s, and the 7s. 6. Maybe something happened at, I don't know, 8, 5, and 10 still leaves, and then there's 8. Well, 5 and 10 and 8 equals, and then it still comes back to the numbers that I said, adding it up. Maybe 427. So we'll go, well, there's 3. There's the proof. And then you have 427. 2 10s, 4, and then you still have the 2. So where's the 2? It could be right there. True machine, isn't it? Still have a 2. And that still rips around it. If you can hear me, I know you can hear me. It's pretty tripped out shit, you know? But what numbers did I say? 427. And, well, 4 and 4, 2 4s. 2 4s are. So, and then it still goes up with 4s. And you break down to 2, and then 2, and then 6 and king. Still a remainder of the numbers that I said. What time did you get up for work? Was it something like 11 past or something? And like a win. 5. And queen. 15. It's still high because you're still going to pull out. How many people are playing the hands? With all the cards that are pulled up. Add it up. All the hands and the dealer.